What's up? Might as well show you the progress of the shop. What's going on? This is where I'm gonna have the podcast set up. This is the other side where I'm gonna be working on the ATVs in my truck. Got a little generator box right there. And no, I am not sponsored by Ryobi. This is how it was before. Had to put up some plastic. Got one of my ATVs in here. Waiting for the summertime so I can actually epoxy the floor. Get it all nice and actually taken care of. Mainly because I am going to definitely spill grease here and oil. It's a pretty slow process when you're doing it by yourself, but I didn't want to give you guys just a blank wall or anything to stare at, or some plants or anything. Give you something cool to look at. And leave a like if you want to see more of this mid-build stuff.
Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock. A
lot more stickers are going to be coming too soon.
Everything that you see is something I invent.
And right about right there is going to be a nice big acoustic panel or art mural. And the spots that are missing the foam is going to actually be green spots. I'm just waiting for those to get mailed in. And if you want, leave a comment on how many monster tabs are right here. And hey, if I get 710 subscribers, I'll send one of you lucky subscribers one of these coasters or this little cutting board over here. Each one is made by me, and I'll even sign it for you and everything. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you could hit the like button and subscribe, it means a lot to me. And have an excellent day or night. Peace.